Hey friends, it's Kivia. Welcome back or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, I'll be painting our media room and sharing some items I plan to add to this space as we start the revamping process. Let's get started. I definitely want to thank Newair for gifting me with this wine and beverage cooler. This came right on time because I had this on my list of items to add to the media room. It was an easy process because it came already assembled, so I just had to add the handles to the door.
Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. With us, nothing moves forward. It just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we stayed together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you. If you think about me, are we thinking this through?
Okay, setup is complete, but it says to let it sit for 3 hours before you plug it in. So if I don't get to it tonight, I'll definitely do it tomorrow and put all the drinks and stuff in here.
Say it to my face, say it to my face. Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel?
I love the blue lighting effect that the cooler has on both sides, and as you can see, it holds 39 cans, 12 bottles, and it definitely holds a lot of wine. I am so in love with this fridge. Once again, I wanted to thank Newair for gifting me with this item. If you are interested in this exact model, you can click the link in the description box below to receive 10% off.
Thought we would be together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you.
All right, back from Lowe's, and I have the paint. So we went ahead and got 2 gallons. The lady said that 1 gallon covers 400 square feet, which I think that room is a little over that. If not, we will have more than enough paint. But I did go with, what is this? It's called Jagged Granite. So I went on Pinterest trying to find the most popular paint colors for media rooms, and this was in that family of paint colors. It wasn't one of the exact ones that they had, and I think most of that paint was by Bear, which Home Depot is not that close to me, and I didn't feel like driving all the way over there, so we just ended up going to Lowe's. But yeah, we decided to go with this one, and this is the Sherwin-Williams brand, I believe. But yeah, we went with the satin finish. This has the scuff shield on here, and I had some frog tape, but I went ahead and got some more because I don't think I had enough. I needed a paint tray, another roller, some more smaller rollers, and then the stir stick. So probably not going to start painting until tomorrow, but I will go ahead and tape everything off tonight. All right, so here we are. As always, don't mind the mess. This room definitely gets some use in the house. So this is all of the items that I currently have in here, items that probably don't belong, and then some items that will be staying in the space. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this cleaned up, and then we can start the painting process. Okay, the painting process is probably about 95% done. I just wanted to show you guys the process, but it is coming along great. I really love the color. I ordered my curtains from Amazon, so I will be receiving those soon. I have learned to make sure I peel the tape off the same day and do not let it sit too long because the paint will start coming off. So we went ahead and did that after a couple hours of drying, and it came off very smoothly. I did have to go back and touch up some areas, but for the most part everything turned out great. So I'm just going to go ahead and add everything back in here and start cleaning up.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky.
All right, so the room is fully painted. I have to hang the blinds back up, and this is not the permanent furniture that will be in here. I have some things that I am currently looking at that I would like to add. So a sideboard. Matter of fact, I'll just go ahead and put the mood board in this video so you guys can kind of see my vision of what I plan on doing to this room. But I'm gonna go ahead and hang these blinds back up. I just picked up this curtain rod from Big Lots. My curtains will be here tomorrow. And hopefully the color, with this being a darker color, putting the curtains up will keep this room a little cooler, because this seems to be the hottest room in the house. It gets a lot of sunlight. So once we go ahead and put all of the, put the curtains up, it will kind of cool this room down because it gets super hot in this room. And here is the fridge. So once I get things set up the way I want to, I'm going to move the fridge from over here to over here. All right, friends, that is it for today's video. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can continue to follow my journey on how I redecorate this room. I'm not sure how long it's going to take to get everything, but I am excited about the process. As always, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care.
Got it done. Lucky, lucky,